In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your notification controls and how to tailor them so you get only the updates you care about. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and head to your inbox. Once you're there, look to the top of the page for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. From this panel, choose All Settings to switch into the Full Settings area, where you'll have access to every preference. In the left-hand sidebar, select Subscription. This is where Proton groups your communication preferences. Scroll down the page until you see the Notifications section. This section brings together how Proton contacts you about its services and how the app alerts you while you use it. First, under Notifications, you'll find Email Communications. This doesn't affect your regular email messages from other people. It's specifically about messages that Proton sends to you. You'll see a toggle for product email updates. Turn this on if you want to hear about new features, product improvements, and tips from Proton. If you prefer a quieter inbox, you can leave it off. Next, look for account email updates. These cover important messages related to your account, things like security notices, service changes, and billing information. Most people keep this enabled so they don't miss anything critical. Finally, locate application notifications. This controls alerts that appear while you're using Proton Mail, such as sounds, banners, or badges, depending on your device. Keep in mind that these rely on your device and browser permissions, so the exact behavior can vary. If you use focus or do not disturb modes, those settings can also affect whether you see or hear alerts. That's it. You've navigated from your inbox to the full settings, opened subscription, and adjusted notifications for email communications, product updates, account updates, and application notifications. Your changes typically save automatically, and you can revisit these options anytime if your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a notification setup that works the way you do.